Let's go over the cable split stance in golf posture Pallof press. Who comes up with these names? All right, so I have a handle here attached to my cable machine. I'm going to actually set up facing perpendicular to the actual machine. I'm going to get into a split stance. Okay. I'm going to slightly lean forward as if I was in an iron stance, or basically our golf posture here. I'm going to pull the handle down to the middle of my chest. Shoulders are down in my back pockets and slightly back. Okay. If you want to make this harder, once you get good at this, you can just go into an inline stance. So pretend you're you're set up either in a straight line with both feet on the line, or if you're on like a high wire, set up that way. All right, so shoulders slightly pulled back down into your back pocket. You're in this position, rib cage pulled down with the belt buckle. You want a nice straight spine, not an extension and not rounding forward. Okay, so find your neutral, pull the head back from here, exhale, and go forward. And I'm going to kind of shimmy closer to the apparatus here, back in. When you pull the cable back towards your body, pull the shoulder blades together, squeeze them together, and then exhale and let the shoulder blades wrap around the rib cage. Okay, guys, that is your cable split stance in a golf posture Pallof press.